right, we getting this, man. All right, ready?
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've actually got something pretty cool in store for you guys. As you know, we've got our Terminator Cobra giveaway that's been going on for a few weeks now, and that is going to be ending soon. Which, by the way, guys, if you want to go to itsjust6.com or click the link down below, you can literally go to the site and your entries are automatically counted. But anyways, we're going to be racing this Terminator Cobra against Daniel's 2018 Mustang GT. Now, the cool thing about this, both cars are both manual transmission cars, and also both cars only have exclusively an exhaust done to it, and that is it. No tune, no anything, just an exhaust. Now, if you know anything about these Terminator Cobras, they're really freaking cool because this car was produced in 2003, and it's quite crazy at how much technology and performance was included in this car from factory even back 20 years ago. This is a 4.6 liter supercharged engine. We've got a supercharger in this car to make up for the slight displacement difference, and I think it's gonna be a pretty good race. Before we can take this thing out and go beat on it though, it's been quite a few weeks that I've been beating on this car and have yet to change the oil yet. So I wanna go ahead and get some fresh oil in this thing before we go start running it. And then after that, we're gonna go see how close this is going to be to that. Oh, almost forgot. I'm gonna take the oil cap out so we can get some aeration going on. You guys wanna hear something kind of funny? I mean, it's not really funny, but so I wear this GoPro on my head so much throughout the week to film these videos that I am actually now creating an inverted mohawk on my head. Go bald for the content! Danny already went bald for the content, so I guess it's my turn. Wouldn't that be hilarious if I if I really did just like lose all of my hair going straight down my scalp, like just in a straight line? I have great hair on the outsides, but just one solid line. What up, McLaren? What up, Hank? What up, boy? If you guys missed the video of these two battling it out, oh my god, dude. You gotta watch this video after this. Don't click off of this video, but the link's up above. Go rewind once you get back to the end of this video and go back and watch this. That video was just nuts, man. Oh, f me, man. I left the oil inside of the car. What an idiot. If I fall off and break my back, just know I love you guys. I am nimble. Ow. These fucking bolt heads. So I can already guarantee somebody probably tightened the ever-living hell out of this oil filter. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my little wrench here. I just stuck my hand up there to go loosen that filter, and boy was I right. Guys, I'm gonna keep telling you this. You don't have to tighten your oil filters more than just hand tight with one hand. Two hands just to barely snug it, but don't tighten it with two hands. Just one hand as tight as you can, two hands just snug it a little bit. And that's it, don't touch it. Quit putting wrenches on your shit, man. Man, why would they put the oil filter there? Oh, gonna get our O-ring all nice and lubed up, you heard? Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, hand tight, guys, that's it. Our filter is replaced, our drain plug is in, which means that we can go ahead and drop our car down and fill it back up with oil again. I'm a rapper. We should make rap songs on how to do car things. Teach people how to work on cars and rap songs. Down we go. Come on, Arnold. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR pit stop. Fresh paint job, fresh inside. One other thing that I have not put on yet that I really need to on this car are these side blades here. Basically, they go underneath the side skirts and they add just another little bit of definition to the side of the car, and it is definitely gonna look awesome. Being that we've got the matching front splitter, it's got kind of that same design here as you see sticking out. It'll carry on over to the side, and then of course on the rear, we've got this beautiful rear diffuser from the same company as well. So we'll go ahead and get these side blades installed. That way it just wraps up the whole look of the car. Nikki, could you come help me hold a piece of plastic? Isn't this just so scary and wild? The first time I did some of these, I was like, what?
I was looking at it, I was like,
you just
wow,
screw them.
Really just screwing it straight up in there.
Yeah. First time I did a set though, I was like, there's no way that that is how this attaches to the car. I know I'm not putting screws into the fucking side skirt.
Somebody's fucking with me.
Yeah.
You know, like,
someone's got a camera set up and they're wanting to catch me doing something stupid.
Your whole life.
Nick, I'm losing my hair. Right where this GoPro's at.
But yeah, the GoPro doesn't help.
Mm-mm. Nah, it's got rubber like things on the inside of these straps to keep it from falling off my head. But it rips the fucking hair. Yeah.
Got that gorilla grip on your head.
So every time I take it off, I can see strands of hair. But then now I'm actually noticing that literally right in the center of my fucking head, I'm losing hair just in like a 2-inch line.
If you had to get a wig, what would it be?
Probably a Gene Simmons wig. Oh shit, can you hold that funnel?
Gene Simmons? I mean, your name isn't far from Gene Simmons. You know that, right?
Gavin Simmons.
You got to wait, Simon. Whoa, you would have hair like that?
Yeah, dude. It's really interesting driving with a hood up, must say.
You won't do a pull with the hood up?
Oh shit.
You ready to get gapped?
Bitch!
I'm just kidding. I think that one will probably get it, at least from the jump.
You think? I think
so.
your car is probably gonna win. What you think about the side blades, bro?
Ooh, I didn't even know those were on. Jeez.
Just put them on. If you look at the
that
front,
is like great with the tires because it
I know.
doesn't stick out. It's not the widest
Yeah.
part of the car unlike some others.
yeah. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna hop in the Terminator. Daniel's gonna hop in his Mustang, and we're gonna go see what happens. I personally, I think the 18 is gonna do it. I think that the new 5.0s, the Gen 3 Coyotes, are so quick that, I mean, that car was as fast as the GT350 was whenever we had it and we're doing a giveaway with it. I have a feeling, even though these cars are fast, it's a stock 2003 car. So like,
You're probably in this car gonna have to be shifting a lot more than I am because I can actually rev like an extra 1,000 over you.
yeah.
So yeah, that's probably gonna be the deciding factor.
Guess we'll see. All right, guys, we have just arrived in Mexico. No sign of Mexican authorities. I think we're clear.
All right, we getting this, man. All right, ready? They're close. Gavin even got the jump a little bit.
Guys, this car, man, that is a great show of what these things can do, okay? Like a car from 2004 with just exhaust done to it is keeping up with a car from 2018 with just exhaust done to it. That's crazy. Is fast, bro. Oh my god, this car is quick.
I let out a little bit if you could tell. I saw you miss the gear, so I was like,
no, I didn't miss a gear. I fucking accidentally let it climb all the way to the rev limiter.
Really?
I was watching you and I was pulling and then it hit the... He wants some sauce?
I let out whenever you hit the top of that gear because I saw you back off and I wanted to keep them close. Because I know that I was gonna pass you after that if I kept in it.
I don't know, man. All right, let's try again. If you're watching this and you win this car, I hope you know that this is just where it all starts with these things. A Whipple and a fuel system, and they are unstoppable, dude. It's kind of crazy though. Every other aspect of the car is done. I mean, like the windows are tinted. It's got a short throw shifter in it. We've already gone ahead and done wheels, tires, suspension. I mean, like literally everything, man. This is such a starting point, such a perfect starting point for a winter. Also, if you guys noticed, I took off at the first one in first gear and we were perfectly fine. Didn't even spin, so that's another good thing about this power level. Ready?
Yep.
I missed fourth.
I knew it would happen. It's okay.
So whenever Daniel's model Mustang came out, or mine, the other cars that I've got, you know, the S550s. The S550 Mustang came out in 2015. The reason it was so crazy is because it was one of the first Mustangs that had IRS, which is independent rear suspension. So most Mustangs have a straight axle rear end, which is really good for drag racing. The wheels are set at right at about 0 degrees camber, which means that they're sitting straight up, whereas in an IRS car, the wheels are cambered in a little bit in the rear. And it may not be as good for straight line stuff, but in curves and turns, it's amazing. So whenever SVT was developing these cars back in in the early 2000s, the reason that they put IRS in this car is because they wanted to have a fast track car that was a Mustang. And so if you see, God, man, this thing is so fun. It does amazing in straight lines, but also even better. Oh my God, dude. Woo! 80 miles an hour around some turns, dude. It does even better around turns because of how this car is set up. It is so planted and handles so freaking well. It's hard to even believe that this is from 2004. It feels just like you're in a newer age Mustang that already does now come IRS. This car was so fast back in the day that I think that whenever Ford was developing the new Mustang and thinking about how to make them a little bit faster and better at handling, I really think that they looked back to these cars and were like, man, we gotta make another thing like that. And I really want to say that that was the benchmark that they set for the newer Mustangs moving forward. And funny enough, that is what I wanted to test today. I wanted to see how close the engineering between the two cars would be as far as performance goes. Both of these cars have an exhaust done to them. Both of these cars are manual transmissions. And surprisingly, they were super freaking close. Just 15 years of age difference apart. Pretty cool stuff. And that is where the hype from these cars comes from. I've never had one of these cars. I've never been in one. I've never driven one, any of that stuff until recently. And I can comfortably say that these are one slept-on car. Like, they really are. Seriously are. Everybody looks at these and like, oh, okay, a 2000 Mustang. No, no. A Terminator Cobra.
How'd it go?
They were so much more closer runs than I think either of us expected.
That's pretty sick, actually.
The Mexican police passed us twice, and so I figured that was probably time to go ahead and call it a wrap.
Not the Federales.
Yeah, the Federales.
The Federales.
A little close this time. Most people, the first thing that they ever do with these cars, the very first thing is they usually do a fuel system and a Whipple. A fuel system and a Whipple on these cars typically makes like, yeah. So like actually truly envision what these motherfuckers are. That showed me like, okay, these are pretty crazy.
Actually, you know what? This is literally a 2004, like what Coyotes are now. Put a supercharger. You were just about to say that?
I got out of the car. I've been talking about that for the last
that?
10 minutes while I was driving that long road.
Really?
I was like, it's
That's
funny
crazy.
because I have a feeling like Ford, whenever they made this car, this is the benchmark that they used whenever they came out with the S550s. They were like, we got to find something that's going to hold power, handle really well, be lighter, blah, 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 like just naming off all kinds of shit. And they're like, I don't know what to do. And then they were like, wait, this car was badass. Yeah. Let's copy it and then change it a little bit. It worked out pretty well. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like. Comment down below, let us know what you want to see to race next. And until next time, we'll see you then.
Money in my blood, all I think about is Benjamin. I came up from the mud, all I think about the sinning.
Take it how you wanna, if you wanna take it. I like clubs while all the women working naked.
Have you ever been to a strip club?
Twice actually, once with you, but it wasn't a full nude, but the other time.
Oh, that was a bikini bar.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. So the other time, we were in the parking lot of one, but chickened out.
Dude, been there. I was in the parking lot of one with my brother, and I was like, nah, I ain't going.
Yeah, I was in the parking lot of one with Caleb and in Houston. We were in Houston, and I was like, yeah, nope.
Alcohol keep me tipsy, sipping whiskey.